This is a video that introduces the AbilityLMS backend. I'm logged in as a system administrator, and the tiles that you see here represent tiles that would display for an administrator. If I was a trainer or a supervisor or an auditor or some other role that you might want to invent, the tiles that display and the things that you can do within the tiles would be dynamic. So, for example, a manager might only see these two tiles. They need to look up their people and run their reports. Or maybe only the reports. All they do is just run reports that are in the system. Everything here also is dynamic in terms of access. A manager, when they log in, or a process owner, when they log in, view only the people that they need to view only the courses that they need to manage or maintain. So we can define into the system reporting hierarchies. We can define into the system hierarchies of ownership. This person owns this course, someone else owns that course, and then things like communications, different communications for this course versus that course versus a from this course owner or from some other course owner. And we can build very robust communications that are there. The tiles here, we'll just go through them quickly. This is where you manage people, add people, create history. This is where you run reports, build reports, schedule reports. This is where you create and maintain courses, things that you want to track, resources you want to make available. This is where we group courses into either libraries, like going to the public library. These are all the books. These are all the courses that are available. Uh, you may never take them, but they're there. They're available to you. As well as this is where we create learning tracks. Learning track is a training assignment or a requirement matrix. This is training assigned to you by your job title for onboarding, for a department, for a machine qualification, for a process, for a project, for safety, for everyone in the organization. So Catalog Manager allows us to group courses then and dynamically allocate who has access to these courses as well as assign these courses, and all that goes with managing training assignments and requirements. Schedule Manager deals with scheduling an in-person class or a virtual class. A wonderful virtual class capability will work with Zooms and Teams and Google Meet and WebEx and all the major collaboration products out of there. One platform, one calendar, um, no meeting invitations you have to send around. Um, we're Zoom bombing proof. That's impossible to happen in our technology. Automatic attendance taking. It's a very robust way of managing and automating what happens in the classroom and in the virtual class as well. Communication Manager deals with sending out alerts around the concept of a scenario. So you might do an annual training scenario. You might have a training season scenario for a particular set of courses that you want. You can define different communications. You can define different communications for different courses, for different audiences. You can control who they're from. You can drag and drop, merge variables into the email templates, and you can test, and never worry about sending out emails. So you can rinse and repeat as much as needed to make sure the communication is correct, the audience is correct, and your reputation is well protected. And when the communication goes out, you're sure that it's done right. And then there's an administration where you build your trainers and managers and do other administrative type stuff. Then configuration gets under the hood and deals with details that mostly we deal with from a technical support standpoint, but on occasion the client will go back and touch. This is a complete component for administration. Let me pause for a moment and take a look at the manager backend. Okay, I just changed. I've logged in as Mike here. Mike, as you see, is a manager in his role. And here you'll see that he has access only to a subset of the tabs. I just show this so that you appreciate that the security profile and the data access layer is all dynamic. It's all done for you automatically. And if we're doing an HR integration or an integration against a CRM or Active Directory or a federated sign-on, this can be done automatically, and there's no maintenance that's involved. Good stuff. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to do a deeper dive and love to talk to you. Have a great day.